Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Hi, welcome to the video. I'm just going to make a really quick cave style picture, something that any beginner could follow and should enjoy doing. It's that time of year when many of you might have received kits. I know that kind of dates my videos a little bit, but so be it. So I'm going to put some clear 27 down the middle of the iron and a tiny bit of blue into that, and then red violet number 12 down both the top and bottom of the iron. Okay, so you've sort of put the colours on in stripes and rest it on and push it through. And I'm not too worried if I get any gaps or anything. I want to infill them. So I'll just get a little bit of the red violet, top of my iron, and a little bit of clear with it, just a tiny bit. I'm just going to infill from here, around that blue area, all the way through. Okay, and then what we're going to do is just work round this little picture with the iron, just making marks by just lifting it up and down and bouncing it around. So all I'm trying to do is make some like jaggedy edges in the red violet colour. Okay. Right, I'm going to spin it now. I want to go along this bottom bit, doing similar. But I don't want it to look too iron shaped there, so I'm going to just lift it and just tap it on to the sole plate of the iron. Right, then we're going to use the point of the iron up like a stiletto heel shoe, and then twist the ankle, so turn it over, and then slide left and right with a little bit of force, and that'll cut into the wax. Not too much force that you're cutting into the paper, and that'll give you a bit of a path, and it'll start to create, and then some little lines going parallel to the card, start to create a little fantasy place, a few little bits going up here, and then grab some brown. A bird. That's not brown, I've grabbed the wrong colour. I've grabbed red violet instead of brown. Grabbed a brown now. I'll go back over the top of that one. Should be okay. Put my third one in. Melt a little bit of brown. Start building a bit of a tree, so it at least sets off brown at the bottom. There's loads and loads of videos on my channel showing you me painting trees. Bookings are now being taken for workshops, both in person and online. Just feel free to contact me about them. It's the easiest way to deal with it at the minute. If anyone's got any anything they want me to cover in any of these videos, just drop us a message, and it might take us a few weeks to get it filmed and get it up there. I'm more than happy to have a go at it. You know, if you've got a certain stylus tip you want us to do a bit more with, or some of the encaustic stamps or anything, you just give us an idea of what you want and we'll create the content that you're asking for. So just give us a shout. Alright, Take care everyone, and I hope you've enjoyed that. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.